What are the most important things to look out for when you're buying a family home? One is of course layout, outdoor entertaining space, lifestyle and location. With direct access to wetlands as well as the walking and cycling path that leads straight to the bay, this beautiful family haven is an offering of supreme style and sophistication in the most idyllic of locations. I'm Genevieve Hill and welcome to number 4 Wetland Drive in Patterson Lakes. As you step inside, you'll feel a sense of peace and calmness, with a choice of living areas across both levels, including a cosy formal lounge with gas log fireplace and home office. There is room for everyone to spread out and enjoy. While outside, summer entertaining is easy thanks to the sheltered alfresco area and sparkling solar heated pool. There's even a gated access to wetlands and Patterson River, so you can take guests on a tour of your magnificent surroundings. There are 4 large bedrooms upstairs, including a luxury master with balcony and wetland views. Perfect for families of all ages and stages, this warm and welcoming sanctuary is complemented by a low traffic location that enjoys brilliant proximity to schools, shops and transport. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this magnificent home and I look forward to welcoming you to number 4 Wetland Drive, Patterson Lakes.